In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a company on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Verifying a company on Indeed is an important step in your job search or when deciding where to apply. It helps ensure you're looking at credible job listings from legitimate employers. So let's get started on how you can do this. First, you'll want to go to the Indeed website. If you're not already familiar with Indeed, it's one of the biggest job search platforms out there, so you'll find a wealth of opportunities. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar front and center. This is where we begin. Type in the name of the company you want to verify. It's often a good idea to enter the full name of the company to get the most accurate results. After you've typed in the company name, hit the search button. In just a few moments, you should see a list of job postings associated with that company, along with some basic information, including the company's ratings and reviews. Look closely at the search results. If the company is verified, it should display a verified employer label. This is your first sign that this company is legitimate. Now, if you don't see that label, don't worry just yet. You can check additional information that can help you make a more informed decision. Click on the company's name from the search results. This will take you to the company's profile page on Indeed. Here, you'll find details like employee reviews, ratings, and information about the company culture. Pay close attention to reviews left by current and former employees. They can give you valuable insights into what it's like to work at the company. Another key aspect to look out for is the company's website link, which you'll find on the profile page. It's a good practice to visit the company's official website, as it can confirm their legitimacy, especially if you find job postings that seem unusual. Check for a professional-looking site, contact information, and even a careers page outlining current job openings. If you want to dig even deeper, look for the company's social media presence. Most legitimate organizations will have an active presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. Check how they interact with their audience. Are they responsive? Do they post regularly? This can give you additional confidence in their credibility. Once you feel confident about the legitimacy of the company, consider reaching out to current or former employees for a casual chat. LinkedIn is a great tool for this. Send a polite message asking if they'd be willing to share their experiences working there. This kind of insider information can often be invaluable during your job search. Lastly, always trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right about a job posting or the company in general, it's better to be cautious and continue your search elsewhere. Remember, the goal is to connect with a company that not only fits your career goals, but also is a reputable and supportive environment. That wraps up our tips on verifying a company on Indeed. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your job search and find opportunities that are both exciting and legitimate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and happy